Okay, mister. There's one. Hold on, hold on. Don't cheat, don't cheat, don't cheat, don't cheat, don't cheat. No cheating. No cheating. Wait, there's no cheating. No cheating. Wait, no cheating. No cheating. Why are you cheating? Okay, now you can go. There you go. There's one. I'll pause it until you finish. Wait, at least. You happy with your almond? Happy that you got your almond? Oh, he's a good boy. Huh? Alright, let's pause. Alright, so you just finished the almond. Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. You gonna go for the other ones? Yeah, I know you are. What, you're not gonna go for these? Look. What about those? Oh, you don't want me to record you? Come on. Look. You just gonna stare at me? You're like, I'm no circus animal. How dirty you made my wall back there. Come on, I'm waiting. Oh, I shouldn't have given you pumpkin seeds in there. Don't be a punk. Come on. Look at the peanut. It's okay. Look at the peanut. No, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
No. Don't worry about it.
It's for me, right?
No, it's just for you.
¿Y para a quién le das de eso?
Aiko.
Aiko, pues,
Yeah.
Para las dos.
No, he only likes those. He doesn't like the other ones.
Oh, okay.
That's why. Come on, Solomon. You know you want it. Go.
Don't forget your stuff.
I won't.
The food and...
Okay. Come on, mister. Mister! Being a punk, you don't want your... Look. What's that? What's inside? Look inside. Look inside. Look inside. Wait, let me make sure this is closed. Being a punk, you know that? A big punk. Yeah, you are. The face he's giving me. Being a punk. Come on, I gotta go. Hurry. Solomon. Come on. Let's go. So you know what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing. Come on, go. I'll catch you, you know that. Did I ruin your concentration? Okay, fine. Hold on. Let me fix that. So you got the other almond. To be continued. You little punk.